Hi, quick question. Did you know this video is made from just a single image? No camera, no studio, no expensive setup. I use free AI tools to turn a photo into a talking video like this. My sister, come and buy fresh pepper. Oh. This pepper no be for decoration, no. E dey hot past Lagos sun. If you want to cook the kind of stew where you go, your neighbors go they breathe in every second. Then do not let this pepper pass you by. You.
You see those videos? Those are actually AI images I made to talk using free tools. I didn't pay for anything. All I did was to use a prompt to generate the image. Then I made the image to talk, all using completely free tools. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to do same using free AI tools, even if you have never used AI before. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create talking AI images for Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even for adverts and skits. So right now, I'm going to be sharing my screen to show you how to do so with just your phone. So the first thing we are going to do is to generate the prompts we are going to use to generate our image. So it depends on the image, the character you want to use. You can use an image of yourself, your picture talking, or you can generate a different character. So right now, I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate the prompt for the image, right? So let's go over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is just an app, right? So go to your Play Store or your App Store to download the ChatGPT app. I already have the app, so I'm just going to log in. So here, I'm going to generate a prompt for my image. So I'm just going to tell ChatGPT what I want to create. So let's tell ChatGPT what to create for us, right? So I'm going to say, I want you to create a prompt for a young lady who is a content creator in her content studio with a microphone in front of her, facing her camera. So this is the prompt ChatGPT generated. A fair-skinned young woman content creator in a modern content studio, sitting confidently in front of a professional camera. A condenser microphone is placed in front of her on a desk stand. She is smiling warmly at the camera, wearing stylish casual clothing, soft studio lighting, ring light reflection in her eyes. You see the details. It detailed the kind of picture it was. Okay, so let's take this prompt right now. I'm going to copy this prompt and take it to where we're going to generate the image. We can also generate an image with ChatGPT. So let's try that. So let's tell ChatGPT to generate the image. Let's see what it's going to generate for us. Generate an image of a fair-skinned young woman content creator in a modern content studio. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT is going to generate. Let's see. Just wait for a few seconds for it to generate. Oh, it's saying lots of people are generating images right now, so this may take a bit. We'll notify you when your image is ready. Let's use another tool. Let's use Binge Image Creator. This one is Binge Image Creator. So just go to Google or your Chrome browser. Just go to your browser and type Binge Image Creator. Sign in and you can be able to generate your images with this tool, right? So let's see what it's going to generate. I don't like the images it generated. Let's go back to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT generated. Look at the one ChatGPT created. It's so beautiful and has a high resolution. Should we use this or should we try to generate an African lady? Because this one is obviously a white lady. Let's create another one. A fair-skinned young African woman. Let's see what this one is gonna give us. So it has generated another image for us. So this is the second one. This is when I changed it to Nigerian woman. I didn't give you more details. She should be wearing a wig and all that, but I didn't specify. I think this is good, right? This is actually good. So which one should we use? Should we use the first one or the second one? Let's just use this one. Yeah, so let's download. So to download, just click on save. So now that we've generated the image, the next thing we are going to be doing is to make this image talk. The tool we are going to be using for this is Digent AI. So right now, let's go over to Digent AI. Go over to your Google Play Store or your App Store to download the Digent AI. So when you download it, you're going to register. So because I'm registered, that is why it's showing me this, right? So go ahead and register with your email. So after registering, you're going to see these free credits at the top right. This credit is what you can use. You can use it to create a lot of videos. So now let's go over to generating a video, right? So click on create. When you click on create, you're going to see this generate a video, right? So tap on this image sign at the left. So when you tap on it, you're going to see your images, right? So import your image. So now it's importing. So you have to wait for it to be uploaded. So it says the photo is being uploaded. Please wait patiently. So let's wait for it to upload. Our image is uploaded now. Let's give it a prompt on what to do. If you still want idea on what to write here, you can still go to ChatGPT and tell it that it should give you a prompt on what the image should do. So let's go to ChatGPT and tell it to write a prompt for us that will guide the video generation. So let's just tell ChatGPT, I want to generate a talking video from this image. And you write a prompt for the mannerisms to control the video generation, for the mannerisms to control the video generation. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to tell us. It says the woman speaks confidently and naturally. So we're going to read it, and anyone we don't like, we're going to remove it. The woman speaks confidently and naturally, maintaining steady eye contact with the camera. Her lips syncs clearly and accurately with the voice. She smiles gently while talking, occasionally blinking naturally. Subtle head movements and small notes emphasize key points. Her facial expressions are warm, friendly, and engaging. Minimal body movements, professional posture, calm, relaxed energy like a social media educator or content creator explaining something clearly. No exaggerated gestures, smooth, realistic motion, natural breathing, and lifelike expressions. So let's copy this prompt and paste it on Digent. So here it is. So I've pasted it. Now the next thing we want it to do is to talk. You can actually choose from here. So just click on this Gen 3. You can actually choose a voice from here, but to avoid copyright issues. So you either upload your voice or you can record from here. You can see this record button. You can record from here or you upload a sound. So let's record. What do we want this content creator to say? Hi, quick question. Did you know this video is made from just a single image? No camera, no studio, no expensive setup. I use free AI tools to turn a photo into a talking video like this. So let me go ahead and record this, okay? So to record it, just tap on this red button to record. Hi, quick question. No, if you don't like what you did, you can delete and start again. I want to delete and start again. Let's start again. Hi, quick question. Did you know this video is made from just a single image? No camera, no studio, no expensive setup. I use free AI tools to turn a photo into a talking video like this.
Hi, quick question. Did you know this video is made from just a single image? No camera, no studio, no expensive setup. I use free AI tools to turn a photo into a talking video like this.
So this is okay, right? So now we have uploaded a prompt, we uploaded an image, and then now we've told the image what to say. So right now, let's generate video. So tap on generate video.
So right now, the video is being generated. So you have to wait for it for some minutes to generate. Now, this is the final result. Hi, quick question. Did you know this video is made from just a single image? No camera, no studio, no expensive setup. I use free AI tools to turn a photo into a talking video like this.
So you see, this is how to make your images talk with free AI tools. If you got value from this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So go ahead now. You can use this to create reels for your Facebook, for your Instagram, for your YouTube shorts, and even do your advert videos and skits. If you got value from this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.